Well, my friends, it's come back once again. Portland and Astoria River Productions. I'm just taking a simple and nice walk. Just waiting for a train to come and pass by, really. Kinda just waiting for a train to come down because, well, I just went to my railroad spot at the crossing and at the Nampa Depot as well, but now I just gotta wait. I just taking a afternoon stroll and just seeing if a loco is gonna come or whatnot, and yeah, if we catch anything or not, all of you out there, but thanks for tuning in. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.